Welcome back as we celebrate World Autism Awareness Day and the work being done by Sesame Street. The long-running children's series introduced autistic 4-year-old Julia to the show a couple years back, and now they're bringing in her whole family of characters. Sesame Workshop is also releasing several autism resources, including videos for kids and parents, storybooks, and digital interactives. Learn more about their initiative to see amazing in all children on the ANC Facebook page. Kara?
All right, Trent, thank you so much. I love that character. I'm happy to meet her entire family.